Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the best dash cam for car in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I've tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and many more. To find out more information about these dash cam for car you can check out the description below. If you want to get a best quality dash cam for car according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide to buy. At the first position of our list, we have Rove dash camera for cars. A dash cam like the Rove dash cam for cars is exactly what you need driving today. This camera shoots 2106 type video quality at a 150-degree wide angle and presents it all in a 2.4 LCD screen. The company also provides free firmware upgrades, so you don't have to worry about paying extra. Moving on to the next at number 2 with REDTIGER dash camera for cars. All car owners will benefit from the REDTIGER dash cam for cars as it not only provides a good safety precaution but can also be a fun gadget for driving. Be better secured during a possible traffic accident case, if there should be any doubt about who is to blame for the accident, and see what happened up to the accident. The number 3 position is held by Biuone dash camera for cars. Biuone dash cam for cams helps you record video clips from holiday trips where you have driven through some beautiful areas with your family. But most importantly, invest in your safety. If you lend your car to friends or to your children, then you no longer have to be nervous, as you can see what has happened in the Biuone dash camera. Next at number 4 we have Vantrue dash camera for cars. No matter where you live, it's nice to know what happened to your parking lot in the event of vandalism, damage, or theft. Vantrue dash cam for cams will help you monitor your car during parking, both during the day and at night. You are bound to discover the perpetrator if he has broken into the car or if he should run away after a collision. The number 5 position is held by SevenToMy dash camera for cars. If you are not very technical, then it is a good idea to choose a model that is simple to use. Check out what it is like to install and what the menus and settings are like. The SevenToMy dash cam for cams has more or less a good explanation of how to set it up and operate it. You can also check up on how it should be mounted. It should be easy and quick to take the camera off and on the holder, so you can quickly take it with you when you leave your car. The number 6 position is dominated by Chortau dual dash cam system. The Chortau dual dash cam system is the perfect choice for those looking to record both the front and rear of their cars while driving or parked. The rear camera is waterproof to protect it against the elements, and it also has 4 infrared LED lights for superior night vision while reversing or recording the road behind you. The rear camera also acts as a backup guide camera for parking and maneuvering. The front camera has a 170-degree wide-angle lens, and the rear camera has a 130-degree wide-angle lens to reduce blind spots. Along with the lithium-ion backup battery, this dash cam system uses a supercapacitor for reliable operation in extreme temperatures, from 86 to 158. Both cameras shoot in full 1080p HD at 30 frames per second for ultra-clear video at high speeds. The body of the front camera features a compact design, and the 3-inch LCD display has a screensaver mode for distraction-free driving. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual 1080p dash cam. With ride-sharing services becoming a bigger part of our lives, it's important for drivers to keep themselves protected in case of an accident or customer complaints. The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam is designed with ride-sharing service drivers in mind. It has a front-facing camera to record traffic and a rear-facing camera to record the interior of the car. The rear-facing camera has 4 infrared LED lights for clear recording at night and in low-light environments. Both cameras shoot video in full 1080p HD to capture crisp details. The dash cam system can be set to automatically turn on with the car's ignition, and the LCD display has an auto-off feature for distraction-free driving day and night. The system also has a built-in microphone to record audio from the car's interior. You can create time-lapse video to show a series of events, and the motion sensor protects your car while parked. The number 8 position is held by Garmin Dash Cam 66W. If you're looking for a compact dash cam that won't draw attention, consider the Garmin Dash Cam 66W. It fits easily behind your rearview mirror and is likely not to be noticed by anyone. The Garmin brand has done a fantastic job with the 66W. The video screen has a wide 180-degree view and records 1,404 videos, which can save onto a micro SD card. Thanks to the GPS, you can also pinpoint exactly where the footage was taken. We love the voice controls, perfect for when you're on the road, and the dash cam auto sync can connect up to 4 Garmins together, creating a full 360-degree picture. The travel apps feature, like a hyperlapse, is a fun way to create short video snippets of long road trips. Finally, the number 9 position is dominated by Nextbase 422W dash cam. The Nextbase 422W is an impressive dashcam that stands out for its stylish and functional design. An HD touchscreen makes it easy to control, and the device can be easily paired with rear cameras, giving you the full picture. In addition to the touchscreen, the dashcam can be controlled via Alexa or by the app on your smartphone. Alexa can also be used for directions, making calls, or playing music. The 422W has an amazing safety feature. In the event of a crash, the dashcam can instantly alert emergency services, including your current GPS location. For peace of mind, this dashcam might be worth it just for this reason. That's all for today. We upload all types of car accessories review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.